What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be working on Ben's other car, his 1996 Honda Orthia. And right now he's actually fixing the front bumper thing on it. So as soon as he's done with that, we'll have him tell y'all a little bit about the car. But we're actually going to be putting a 1-inch HRG leveling kit on this car. So that's the goal for this video. Alright, Ben, you want to tell us a little bit about what this is?
Sure. This is a 1996 Honda Orthia, imported from Japan here just a few months ago. So this is like a Civic or a CR-V. It's built on the same platform as like the EK Civic, but you can see it's got 4 doors and a hatch to it. So it's a wagon version of a Civic essentially. But not only that, it also has all-wheel drive, twin cam motor that the Civic didn't get like this. And of course it's right-hand drive. Yeah, I mean that's basically it. It's got a lot of storage capabilities. I've actually got the back seats down folded right now. You couldn't do this with the Accord wagon back in the day, but you totally can with this. Let me pop the hatch so you guys can see how much room there is. I mean, it's quite a bit. There's a button right here. If I push it, not only does the hatch open up, but also the glass. You can open it separately if you just want to throw some stuff in there, whatever, and then shut it back. It's the greatest thing ever. This right here is what it's all about. A lot of you Honda guys are going to be very familiarized with this setup, but it's a B20B. So it's a twin cam, 2-liter, of course, all-wheel drive. Similar to what you would have found in the CR-V.
Well, there's you a brief history lesson on what an Orthia is. Alright, got this thing up in the air, and this really is just like an EK Civic. Everything looks exactly the same. Okay, so it wouldn't drop down far enough with just the top bolts, and then took the lower fork off also, and it still wasn't enough, so then I just went ahead and took the bolts out of the fork. That way we can just pull the whole shock out of here. There we go. Got the struts out of here, and I tried to turn the top hats just like with it fully loaded, and it just would not turn, so I went and rented a spring compressor. We're just gonna have to do it this way. Get all the tension off that, and then Ben's got a spacer here. So you see, you just turn it 90 degrees, and then everything fits. See, I still got some threads in there, but this is loose, so hopefully we'll turn it. Maybe a little bit. There it is. So it won't go one way, sometimes it'll go the other. So here's where we started, right here at this tape line. So that's pretty close to 90.
Yeah.
That. Yeah, we're there.
Yeah, that's it.
Cool.
Boom.
All right, we'll get this on the ground, get the wheels back on it, and then we'll show y'all what it looks like. All right, there it is. Ben's doing the final torque on the wheels, but look at that. That evened it out front to back like really well. Actually, from this angle, the front looks really high compared to the back, but it's actually very close. The back is like 27 and a half, maybe a little bit over 27 and a half from the ground to the top of the arch, and in the front it's just a little bit under 28. But we still got to drive the car, and hopefully it'll settle a little bit.
It's already feeling as tight as the rear because the rear, being a CR-V setup, is stiffer. This feels stiffer in the front, which is what I was kind of wanting because it's been spongy in the front. Where's
And the concrete just like drops off here too.
Kind of just drops off right here? All right, let's hit it. Nothing. That was nothing. Okay, I'm gonna go lock, like full lock. Okay, nothing there. Let's go full lock, opposite way. Nothing. There we go. Just from like a 20 km/h roll.
Steering wheel looks smooth. Oh, I feel a little bit.
There's a lip, dude. That's normal though.
That's pretty normal.
That is perfectly normal, honestly. Well, maybe the suspension did settle quite a bit. 27 and a half?
It was at like 28 inside the shop.
It was. 27 and almost a half.
Yeah, that looks great.
That's perfect.
Can you shine your light too, so we can show the people?
Yeah. There we go. Move closer, probably.
If y'all are wondering, this was actually a CR-V 1-inch front lift kit is what we put on here. And I mean, fitment worked perfect. I mean, it's exactly where we needed it to be. As far as we know, this is the first Honda Orthia, at least on the internet, with any sort of a leveling kit or lift kit. So if any of y'all out there have this car and want to do the same thing, HRG is going to be your go-to. Everything fits, like I said, everything fits great. But yeah, I guess that's going to be all for this video. Mission accomplished. Got the Orthia all leveled out, and we can send Ben on home. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next week for another one. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.